The Dell XPS 13 has been a benchmark for premium ultrabooks, offering a sleek design, high-end performance, and excellent portability, design and build quality, minimalist elegance. The Dell XPS 13 is crafted from machined aluminum, with a seamless, ultra-slim chassis measuring just 13.9 mm thick and weighing around 2.6 pounds, 1.2 kilograms, making it one of the most portable laptops available. Color options. Available in platinum, silver, and frost white, the finish is resistant to fingerprints and smudges. Ergonomics. The edge-to-edge keyboard and large glass precision touchpad ensure a comfortable typing and navigation experience. Display. Infinity Edge screen. The 13.4-inch Infinity Edge display offers a near bezel-less experience, enhancing immersion. Resolution options. Available in Full HD 1920 by 1200 or UHD 3840 by 2400. Touch options, catering to different user needs. Color and brightness. Supports 100% sRGB and 500 nits of brightness, making it ideal for creators and those who consume visual content. Aspect ratio. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides more vertical screen space for productivity. Performance. Processor choices. Powered by Intel's 12th/13th Gen Core i5 and i7 processors, ensuring excellent performance for multitasking, productivity, and moderate creative work. RAM and storage. Configurations range from 8 GB to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, paired with SSD options up to 1 TB for ultra-fast read and write speeds. Battery life. Impressive longevity. With the Full HD variant, users can expect up to 12 hours of real-world use, while the UHD model averages around 7 to 8 hours. Fast charging. Dell's ExpressCharge technology can recharge the battery up to 80% in under an hour. Overall, the Dell XPS 13 continues to set the standard for ultrabooks, blending premium design, robust performance, and stunning display options. Thank you so much.